What's the meaning of aerogramme? Aerogramme. 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 An aerogramme is a type of lightweight stationery featuring pre-printed postage for a specific weight limit, designed for use in airmail service. It is folded and sealed to form an envelope, with the sender writing their message inside. The aerogramme was popular during the mid-20th century as it was a cheaper and faster way to send international mail compared to traditional letters. It eventually fell out of use due to the rise of electronic communication and the availability of faster courier services.